Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, back with another video. And today I'm going to be doing my daily makeup routine when I wear makeup, which is never. But when I wear makeup, this is how I do it. And I just want to say, if you're not already subscribed, make sure to click that subscribe button. And let's get on with the video. Okay, I'm going to start by, ouch. Pulling my hair back, which barely did anything. And now I'm going to start off with foundation. And I don't have the proper brushes either. I don't know where to put these. I'll put them right here. Oh! My brush just broke. Okay, I'm using this, Mackenzie!
Your brushes.
Okay, I'm using this, Neutrogena Healthy Skin in the shade New 40. I had to pick up my brush because it just literally snapped. Mackenzie! Stop! Okay. Let me go ahead and start off. And I'm going to use this. And this little headband did not work. Oh my gosh, I just made a really big mess. Let me show y'all what I just did. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it, am I showing y'all? I'm not sure if I... Oh my gosh, I just painted the wall with foundation. Sorry guys, once again, the thing stopped recording. And, anyway, this is my eyeshadow. Yeah, it looks pretty bad on camera, but this is what you get, okay? And now, I'm just looking for my eyeliner so I can go ahead and finish off the makeup. Okay, I'm back and here it is. Ow, my leg. And my brushes just are keeping on falling. But anyway, this is what I'll be using. I'll be using the Maybelline Master Precise in the color black, obviously. So, let me go ahead and do this and try to mess everything up because I'm not good at this. Oh my gosh. Gets me every time. Oh my gosh, I get so nervous. I'm like, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry if it's not like the best wing ever, the sharpest, because this is dry as the Sahara Desert. And I just get so nervous, I get so scared. Eyes watering. Alright, time to do the wing. Okay. Oh my gosh, I need to go look in the mirror because it's hard for me to do it on a camera. Alright guys, I'll go do this one in the mirror and I'll be back to show you this one. I just drew on the wall. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I finished with this wing. It took a lot of work. Talking about concealer and everything. Wiping it off. I've done everything. And it still looks like poop. Just look at it. That's the worst wing I've ever done in my life. But I'm gonna continue to do this one. I'm just telling you, it's not gonna match. They're meant to be sisters, not twins. I know that's meant for your eyebrows, I believe. But today is my wings. Here we go. Pray for me. This one looks way better already. This one definitely looks better. This one just looks so dramatic. I would actually wear this one. I'm trying to make them look the same without messing this one up. And if I'm talking quieter than I was in my other videos, it's because there's neighbors outside my window, like right outside my window, and they don't know I have a YouTube channel. You what?
Stinky.
Okay. I'll be back. My brother has to do some business. Okay, I'm back, and I attempted to make this one more like that one, so I could just take pictures and not look weird. But didn't, because this one's like, oh, this one's like, ooh. I'm like, But let me see. Yeah, just look at just look at that one. I'm not gonna mess with it anymore. Okay. And then I'm gonna try to like make them a little bit better with this. Okay. Okay. And now I'm just gonna use probably one of the brushes that is on the floor right now. No. I'm gonna use this brush, the little concealer brush. There we go. There we go. Alright. Blush is the Color Institute, which is like, I'm not sure what brand. But I'm going to use this angled blush brush and take it into light pink. And put it on the apples only. Because this stuff, it shows up, just not in this camera. And now I'm going to take, ouch. Now I'm going to take my MAC Zoom Fast Black Lash Mascara. But before I do that, I want to take my MAC palette and a brush right here. I'm gonna apply the dark brown right here. Alright, and now I'll go ahead and apply this, really. And I don't have contour, nor bronzer, nor do I have highlighter, which is sad, but I just don't. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the mascara now, which, did I freaking lose it that fast? I'll do this while I'm waiting for it to show up. I mean, mine are, oh, here it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. And then I'll put on my lip product and I'll be done. Give that the moment I dry. Where's my little spoolie? And before I end the video, I want to try to show y'all what I really look like. Yeah. Yeah. And this is the only high-end product I have ever used in my life. MAC, the eyeshadow and the mascara. And I only have a chance to use it because prom I went to MAC and got my makeup done, and then no, spoolie. Trying to get some of these clumps out. Alright, that's gonna have to do for today. And now I'm just gonna apply this little lip crayon. I don't usually wear this, I just usually wear Carmex's. So I just apply this. I've never ever worn this in my life. I just personally don't like it. Okay, this is the final look. This is what it looks like. And excuse that. Excuse my. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below for upcoming videos. I'm just bruising my kneecaps. And be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave, and leave a like, and most of all, have a blessed day. Bye.